Applying light feminine makeup on Filipina beauty. Start with clean bare face. Put on contact lenses. Apply some lip tint. Use Papa Feel Ceramide Serum Sunscreen as moisturizer and sunblock. Apply using your fingertips and spread onto the skin. This will serve as our sunscreen and at the same time our skincare. Because not only does it protect our skin, it also has some lightening and moisturizing effect. Next, let's proceed to our eyebrows. I just used dual eyelash glue to laminate my eyebrows, brushing and forming it using an eyebrow brush. Next, let's use this Spotlight Mega Hit eyebrow pen to draw fake eyebrow hair. I like shaving my eyebrows halfway because it gives me more freedom to alter the shape of the eyebrows depending on the makeup look I'm going for. Let's proceed to our foundation. I just used one pump every time because this foundation is very high coverage, but it's also very lightweight. Start applying on the darkest areas of your face. First to concentrate the coverage, then blend with your fingers only. Just take your time blending the foundation with your skin on a tapping motion, and it is important not to drag the foundation onto the skin. Dragging the foundation will make your makeup look cakey. Use Intuit Cream Blush for blushing. Put a small amount into your hand first to avoid putting on too much into your face. Create small dots using the cream blush, then blend using your fingers. Let's use this Spotlight Mega Hit brow pen to draw fake freckles, then blur it out using your fingers. Time to bake our face. Carve your cheekbone using a dry blending sponge with powder. Also apply on your chin and under eyes. Put the remaining powder into your neck using a fluffy brush. Let's proceed to contouring. Get a small amount of contour powder, then tap off the excess. Apply the product on a tapping motion to ensure equal intensity. Then sweep the product on your jawline. Same goes with contouring the nose. Draw two parallel lines together, then blend seamlessly. Next, let's apply highlight on the high points of our face. Let's proceed to our eyeshadow. Pick a nude eyeshadow, then apply evenly all over your lid. Time to dust off the powder on our face. Next, let's intensify our blush. Apply the powder blush right above your contour. Now let's draw a cat eyeliner using this Focalier eyeliner. Make a thin line across your lashes. Next, start where your bottom lashes ends, then wing it out. Then connect the thin line from your lash to the wing we just created, then fill it in. For the inner corners of the eyes, make a small triangle, then fill it in. Reapply your lip tint. Put some clear lip gloss. Apply your lashes. And we're done.